How you can boost Telegram download speed or increase default downloading speed. So the first and the best option in my opinion is Telegram Premium. So simply go to your settings and click on Telegram Premium. In Telegram Premium you can get faster downloads and you can even upload 4 gigabytes of your files. You can get exclusive stickers and improved chat management. If you can afford it, I recommend you to go with the Telegram Premium first of all. Next step is you need to clear the app cache by tapping and holding on it, and then you will have the option of app info. If you cannot see this on your Android, you're gonna need to simply open up your settings. On iPhone, as usual, you're just gonna need to go for your iPhone storage. Then you're gonna need to simply scroll all the way down until you see the option of Telegram. Then click on offload app and then reinstall it again. As for the Android, clear its cache and clear its app data and then log in again. Next step is you need to make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Next step is you need to make sure to disable any kind of VPN that you are using. Make sure to not use any kind of VPN on your mobile device during your downloading on your Telegram, because a VPN can interrupt a lot in your network connection. Next step is reset your network settings. If you are on iPhone, simply head over to your general and then click on transfer or reset and click on reset all settings or reset network settings in this case, and hope this is going to resolve your issues and boost your Telegram download speed.